Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Tonight is a special one. We are celebrating my amazing dad's birthday. And what better way to mark the occasion than with a fantastic dinner at Clove, the renowned buffet restaurant at the Swissôtel Singapore. As you step into Clove, you are greeted by a warm and inviting atmosphere. The restaurant boasts a modern yet comfortable design with spacious seating arrangements and a vibrant energy. Now, let's talk about the star of the show, the food. Clove is particularly famous for its incredible seafood selection, and tonight it did not disappoint. But Clove isn't just about seafood. They also have an impressive array of local Singaporeans' delights that truly capture the essence of the island's diverse culinary scene. Of course, no birthday celebration is complete without dessert. Clove had a tempting selection of sweet treats, from cakes and pastries to refreshing fruits and local desserts. But the most heartwarming moment of the evening came when the wonderful team at Clove brought out a small, beautifully decorated birthday cake for my dad. If you're looking for a buffet restaurant in Singapore with a fantastic variety of high quality food, excellent service and a welcoming atmosphere, especially for a special occasion, we highly recommend checking out Clove at the Swissôtel Singapore.